Are GMOs causing an increase in allergies? Food allergies are tricky issues, and today the educated consumer is learning more about GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, that are in our food and that they might cause allergies. And now it's becoming a prime concern of consumers. Foods that are likely suspects are peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, wheat, soy, shellfish, and fish, among others. Soy is commercially available in genetically modified varieties, but if a person is allergic to conventional soy, he or she will also be likely allergic to GM soy as well. In the United States, an estimated 70% of foods contain genetically modified ingredients, and there is also the increased risk that many new GMO products may produce new allergens and toxins. Fears are widespread, and consumers may indeed suffer from more allergies with the arrival of and new genes that will turn harmless foods into serious threats. When a new gene is introduced into a plant's gene pool, the principal end result is the production of a new protein. Sometimes new proteins found in plants can be entirely new to the human diet, so we cannot simply assume that these new substances are non-allergenic based on past experience. The more genetically modified plants become present on the market, the more people will be consuming proteins new to the human diet. The possibility that isolated cases of allergic reactions to a new protein could arise is not out of the question. The huge jump in childhood food allergies in the United States is in the news often, but most reports fail to consider a link to a recent radical change in the American diet. Beginning in 1996, bacteria, virus, and other genes have been artificially inserted into the DNA of soy, corn, cottonseed, and canola plants. These unlabeled genetically modified or GM foods carry a risk of triggering life-threatening allergic reactions, and evidence collected over the past decade now suggests that they are contributing to higher allergy rates. Scientists have long known that GM crops might cause allergies, and there are no tests to prove in advance that a GM crop is safe. That's because people aren't usually allergic to a food until they have eaten it several times. The only definitive test for allergies, according to the former FDA microbiologist Louis Privel, is human consumption by affected people. So we should all be concerned with the safety of GM foods. Also, the higher levels of herbicide residue in GM soy might cause health problems in addition to allergic reactions. In fact, many of the GM soys might impede digestion, which in turn can lead to allergies. The introduction of genetically engineered foods into our diet was done quietly and without the mandatory labeling that is required in most other industrialized countries. Without knowing that GM foods might increase the risk of allergies, and without knowing which foods contain GM ingredients, the biotech industry is gambling with our health for their profit. Organic foods are not allowed to contain GM ingredients. Fortunately, the campaign for healthier eating in America will soon make your shopping easier. Safe eating may become easier soon. In short, eating GM foods is gambling with our health and increasing the risk of allergic reactions. To secure more information on allergies and GMOs, we suggest getting your hands on a copy of The Whistleblower's Confession by JenniferLang, available in bookstores and online now. Log on to www.thewbconfession.com. It's an entertaining and provocative way to truly get educated about GMOs and allergies, and so much more in the area of GMOs and the potential harm and risks. Why chance it? Get the book today.